Hey service investor, welcome back to our channel where we deep dive into the smartest, most profitable business idea on this planet. Today we are unpacking things that investors always consider when investing in automatic motorbike washing machine. Whether you are in Southeast Asia, Africa, America, or beyond, they are the key factors that will make or break your investment. So grab your coffee, sit tight, and let's jump right in. First up, demand. Before you commit any capital, you need a clear picture of your target market. How many motorbikes are on the road daily? What's the average washing frequency? Do your homework, survey local bike count, talk to rider, and pinpoint hotspot, gas station, busy street corner, resident hub. High density equal high throughput, which translates to more wash per day, and ultimately a faster return on investment. Next, time to market matter. Nobody wants to waste money for a machine to roll in and set up. Leading manufacturers offer plug and play solutions. You are up and running in one day. That means less downtime, less hassle with construction or plumbing, and faster cash flow hitting your account. Make sure your supplier provides detailed installation support and truly turnkey service from side break to first rinse. Now let's talk numbers. Operating costs are where the magic happens. Unit insurance, number water, electricity, detergent, truck machine use high pressure nozzle that cut water usage to 2 to 4 liters per wash, translating to around 10 to 15 cents in consumable. Then factor in local utility rates and pricing strategy. If you charge $1 to $2 per wash, you are looking at 70 to 80% gross margin. Crunch the number carefully. Lower cost per wash equal more competitive pricing and quicker break-even. Investors love automation because it slash labor need. A single operator can oversee an entire station, loading price, pressing start, and handling payment. No more hiring a team of 5, training them, managing shift, or worrying about absenteeism. That is the win for operational simplicity and payroll saving. Double-check that the control interface is intuitive and multilingual if you are exporting to non-English market. Even the best machine needs TLC. Ask your suppliers what's the maintenance schedule, how easy it is to swap a nozzle or replace a pump. Do they ship spare parts globally? And here is a clinker. After sales support, 24/7 technical hotline, remote diagnostic, local service partner. This reduce downtime and protect your revenue stream. A broken machine equals lost wash and frustrates the customer. So partner with a brand that stands by its product. Scaling is every investor dream. Start with one station, prove the concept, then replicate. Look for modular designs that lets you add extra wash space or even integrate helmet washer and see cleaning model later. If the manufacturer offers franchise or distributorship package that can open door to wholesale machine and recurring revenue on consumable and maintenance contracts. Don't get tripped up by local regulation. In many markets, water usage and waterways discharge are heavily regulated. Choose system with integrated water recycling or treatment feeder to comply with environmental standards. So wrap up. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more sport-ready business insight, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Drop your question in the comment below. What market are you targeting? What your biggest concern? Let's get the conversation started. Go&Go invite you to come directly to the factory to visit and check the machine before ordering.